If you grew up in Goa, then you'll agree that no meal is complete without fish on the table. And one dish that stood out amongst all was the Kingfish Amot Tik. Let's prepare this dish together and bring a piece of Goa into your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you relate. So here I have all the ingredients required for Kingfish Amot Tik. So you have taken one ball of tamarind and soaked it in hot water. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Now because I want the Amot Tik masala to be spicy, if you don't want it spicy, cut down the peppercorns. 4 to 5 cloves, about 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 1 piece of ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 10 dried Kashmiri chilies for the rich color, and around 5 to 8 spicy dried red chilies. Again, cut down on this if you don't want it spicy. And with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, I'm gonna grind all of these into a smooth, thick paste. I'm also gonna add around 1/4 cup of vinegar and then grind it to a smooth fine paste. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the onions. Once the onions are golden brown, go ahead and add the grounded masala paste. After 2 minutes, once the masala color has changed slightly, add the seasoned kingfish. Gently coat the kingfish with the masala, making sure you do not break it. Once perfectly coated, allow the kingfish to steam for a minute or two before adding water. So I've added water to the same mixie grinder to take the leftover marinade, and I'm just gonna swirl it around and then add the water. Give this a quick gentle stir and then cover to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Oh my god, this smells so good. It's a bit too strong and spicy, so I'm just gonna water it down a bit. So I've roughly used around 2.5 cups of water. Adjust the salt, and we need to balance the flavor out with some sugar. 1 teaspoon. Finally, add 2-3 rinds of Konkan. Give it one final mix. Allow it to bubble for another 2 minutes, and then it's done. Don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. See you super soon with another interesting recipe. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.